London's history is a dramatic tapestry spanning over 2,000 years. Founded by the Romans as Londinium, it grew from a strategic port into a bustling medieval city, symbolized by the Tower of London and Westminster Abbey. The Great Fire of 1666 destroyed much of the city but led to a rebirth, including St. Paul's Cathedral. The Industrial Revolution cemented its status as the heart of a global empire, with innovations like the world's first underground railway. Despite devastation during the Blitz of World War II, London rebuilt itself into the vibrant, modern, and multicultural capital it is today, where ancient history and cutting-edge culture exist side by side. London is a thrilling whirlwind of royal history, world-class culture, iconic landmarks, and vibrant modern energy. It's a city where ancient tradition collides with cutting-edge fashion, food, and art. Sparkle's essential info. Currency, British pound sterling. Language, English. When to go? Spring, April, June mild, flowers blooming, long days. Summer, June, August warmest weather, but crowded and pricey. Autumn, Sept, October crisp air, fall colors, fewer tourists. Winter, November to February cold, short days, but magical Christmas markets and cozy pubs. Getting around. Use an Oyster card or your contactless debit credit card for the cheapest fares. The tube, subway, is fastest for long distances. Walking is often the best way to soak up the city's charm. Bike, WeBike, Santander cycles available for rent. Tip, peak hours, 7:30 to 9:30 and 17 to 7 p.m., are crowded. Shopping in London. Oxford Street, High Street favourites, flagship stores. Regent Street and Carnaby Street, fashion, boutiques, historic streets. Harrods and Selfridges, luxury shopping. Camden Market, alternative fashion, vintage items, food. Covent Garden Market, handcrafted gifts, street performances. Top attractions and experiences. The classics. Tower of London, crown jewels and beefeater tours. Buckingham Palace, changing of the guard, state rooms, summer. Houses of Parliament and Big Ben, best views from Westminster Bridge or South Bank. Westminster Abbey, coronations, royal weddings, and burials. St. Paul's Cathedral, panoramic dome views. Hyde Park, Serpentine Lake, Speaker's Corner, peaceful walks. Museums, mostly free. British Museum, Rosetta Stone, Parthenon marbles. National Gallery, masterpieces in Trafalgar Square. Tate Modern, contemporary art in a former power station. Victoria and Albert, V&A, art, design, performance. Natural History Museum, dinosaur skeletons, iconic Hinsey Hall. Neighbourhoods. South Bank, Thames Walks, Globe Theatre, London Eye. Covent Garden, street performers, Apple Market, Royal Opera House. Soho and Chinatown, nightlife, food, LGBTQ+ scene. Notting Hill, colourful houses, Portobello Market. Shoreditch, street art, rooftop bars, trendy eats. Day 1, the Royal and Historic Core. Morning, Tower of London. Afternoon, Tower Bridge HMS Belfast Thames Clipper to Westminster. Evening, Big Ben Houses of Parliament St James's Park Buckingham Palace. Day 2, Museums and West End buzz. Morning, British Museum or National Gallery. Afternoon, Covent Garden Leicester Square Chinatown. Evening, West End Theatre Show. Day 3, Markets and Modern London. Morning, Borough Market Millennium Bridge St Paul's Cathedral. Afternoon, Tate Modern South Bank Stroll London Eye. Evening, Soho nightlife or a quiet pub pint. London Food Guide, high-end versus low budget. Expensive fine dining. The Ritz, classic afternoon tea, luxurious £60-70 per person. Sketch, Mayfair, unique afternoon tea and art-filled dining, £50-70. Disham, dinner, upscale Indian dishes, £20-30 per main. Restaurant Gordon Ramsay, Michelin-starred experience, £150+ per person. Duck and Waffle, iconic skyline views, brunch a lunch £25.35. Where Mayfair, Soho, Covent Garden, Tower 42. Budget Eats. Greggs, sausage rolls, sandwiches, £2 or 3. Meal deals, Tesco, Sainsbury's, Boots, £5 for sandwich plus snack plus drink. Bagel Bake, Brick Lane, famous bagels £5. Camden and Borough Markets, street food £6.10. Chinatown lunch specials, £7.9 for big portions. Wetherspoons Pubs, meal plus drink £7.10. Tipping, 10 to 12% in restaurants if service isn't already included. Types of London pubs. Historic pubs, traditional interiors, original architecture. Examples: Ye Olde Cheshire Cheese, estimated 1667, The Lamb and Flag, Covent Garden. Gastropubs, upscale food with craft beers. Examples: The Harwood Arms, Fulham, The Ledbury. Riverside pubs, great views along the Thames or canals. Examples: The Mayflower, Rotherhithe, The Anchor Bankside. London nightlife, quick guide. Bars and pubs, historic pubs like Ye Olde Cheshire Cheese, riverside bars and rooftop bars in Soho and South Bank. Clubs, Fabric, Ministry of Sound, and Zoyo for dancing and DJs. Live music and shows, West End musicals, Ronnie Scott's Jazz Club, and Camden Live venues. Unique experiences, Thames night cruises, speakeasy cocktail bars, late-night museum events. Areas: Soho, Shoreditch, South Bank, Camden. Tips: use Nighttube or rideshare, check dress codes, stay safe, book ahead for shows. London safety tips. Traffic, look both ways, London drives on the left. Pickpockets, keep bags zipped and wallets in front pockets, especially in tourist areas. Transport, avoid rush hour crowds, watch for cyclists. Weather, carry an umbrella or waterproof jacket. Etiquette, queue politely, say please and thank you. Emergencies, dial 999 for police, fire, or ambulance.